Yo, what's up everybody? So tonight we are going to install a Maxton design lip spoiler, extension spoiler, yeah.
Spoiler extension.
Spoiler extension, there you go. We're going to put on our Maxton design spoiler extension on the Mark 6. It's about like 11 o'clock right now. Got no watch on. It's about 11 o'clock right now. It's pretty cold out here in California. It's probably like 35 degrees right now.
It's fucking cold.
You're probably thinking, why didn't we do this during the day? But this is all we have time for, so we'll see how it gets down.
Just the cleanest it'll ever be.
First of all, I'm gonna get these stickers off. Are you serious?
Damn, that sucks. Wow. A little bit of alcohol. Take it off.
Fucking Maxton designs. Oops. Like, why couldn't they put it on the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Like, right at the top.
20 minutes later.
Free sticker. Free sticker. Told you they'd give you fucking
Little wipes.
alcohol wipes.
I sound like a Mustang out there. Speaking of Mustangs,
I'm a Mustang killer.
V8 Slayer. Oh yeah, let's look at that. That's already looking sauce. Oh, look at that. Look at the extension on that. That's sauce. Dang, it's kind of beat up, honestly. Like the corners of it are pretty beat up. I'd send it in, get a new one.
Here, Shannon. It's not that. It's the plastic over it. See, there's just plastic.
Is there a
over it.
plastic layer over it?
Yeah.
So what are you complaining about the stickers about?
See?
Then quit complaining about the stickers, you fucking bitch. You chotch.
Can I see some light up here? Make sure it's straight. Alright, cool. Found the place. Now I'm just...
Wing is on. It's looking lean, mean, and clean. As always, we have links to our stickers, GTIBROS ones. It's also always in the link below in our description. Also always in our description below. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a quick little install, this Maxton design spoiler extension. If you guys don't already, follow us on Instagram at GTIBROS. We also have a Snapchat at GTIBROS. Go ahead and check us out. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Much love.